So, you've done some marketing training through The Lonely Marketeer and you're really excited, you're good to go, you've developed a marketing strategy, you've got some campaigns that you want to run out, and I just want to spoil it and just ask you to press pause for 1 minute. Because before you rush ahead and you do loads of good with your marketing campaign, you need to understand that there are some other things that you need to consider which you may not have already done so, which could really spoil all that good work you're going to do. And by that, I'm going to talk to you about personal data, data protection. I appreciate it's not the most exciting of subjects. You'd much rather be talking about, I don't know, new customer acquisition or content management or whatever, much more interesting than data protection. But if you disregard data protection, you stand a really good chance of certainly diminishing the good that you're going to do with your marketing campaign. Because remember, what you're after is a really good customer experience, right the way through that journey, from acquisition right the way through to the delivery of the service. And then perhaps you'd even like to retain that customer or that client for the future, either as an advocate for your business, or you want to bring them all the way back round that life cycle and you want them to get them to start all over again with you and become a customer for a second or even a third time. So I'm going to cover some elements of data protection. We're going to do it in some segments. The key bit that you're going to want to get to, I'm sure, is the bit where we look at the customer journey, and we've segmented that so that we can look at the data protection implications at each stage. I would say it's not wholly comprehensive. We can't, in the time we've got, cover absolutely everything. But what we can do is we can offer you some key questions along the way. Imagine I'm the guy, painful as it may be, who's sitting in the room whilst you're presenting your marketing strategy to the company, and I'm going to be the guy that's going to keep asking you the awkward questions about data protection. And the reason I'm going to do that is because I want you to make sure that you've thought about them so that actually the good that you're going to do with your marketing campaign can have maximum impact.